welcome back to Too Many Freakin' Crafts. I'm here with my son Colin. Yeah. He's how old? How old are you?
You know, Mommy.
I know, I want you to tell
Seven.
me. It's seven. It's 7. Anyways.
I thought you knew, Mommy.
I know, I wanted you to tell them. Seriously, kids. Okay, so today what we're working on is customizing pops. First off, we have, what we're doing is we have Rainbow Brite, woo, my favorite show growing up as a kid, and Pop makes a rainbow and a twink, but they don't make anyone else. They don't make any of the other color kids, and for you that don't know, Rainbow Brite is like the ruler of Rainbow Land, and she has all these color kids that's sort of like her minions, and then they have their own little color sprites that are their own colors. But the ones we're going to be working on or talking about today are
Red butler.
yes, and that's going to be this guy. We're going to make that guy into this guy. All right, and who's that?
Green. Patio green.
Patio Green. And
Buddy blue.
Buddy Blue. Okay, so first off, this guy's head came from a different pop. And this body was One Punch Man. I have no idea who that is, but he has the right body shape and had the cape. So I've already cut the cape off so he can have the same length of cape that Red Butler has. And mostly all we need to do now is paint him and add a little detail.
The body used to have a little grocery bag. Which...
Yeah, we cut it off because he doesn't need a grocery bag. He doesn't live in this world. But today you're going to watch us switch out these guys' heads right here.
We're going to kill them.
We're going to take their heads off and put it on someone else. Because we're literally going to make Patio Green and Buddy Blue out of these two pops.
Actually, I put a video that was really strange. It was a video I watched that was really strange.
Okay, well that has nothing to do with what we're doing.
Okay.
This isn't really strange. Alright, you open up that one, I'll open up this one. Alright, open up the pops.
Well, I ripped it.
Rawr. So this is for some the table tennis ping pong ball. Sorry, ping pong ball.
Look at how big that hair is.
Yeah, and this one's from Dragon Ball Z, show I don't really know a lot about. And this is Bulma. Anyway, Bulma's head is going to go on this body and become Buddy Blue. And that head's going to come on this body and become Patio Green. Okay, so we've already got our boiling hot,
Oh yeah, that is hot.
boiling hot thing of water. So her head's kind of big. So do you want to do his first? I don't think you can put both of them in at the same time.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to start with this guy. You can see his head. So what you do is you put in a big, I did about 1 liter of water or 4 cups. Alright, now put it in. You gotta hold it in. Keep it in. You want to go all the way down to the neck, past the neck, okay? Anyways, you put 4 cups to 1 liter in a cup like this. We microwaved it for 5 minutes. And then,
It is hot.
yeah. So then you sit there and you let them kind of sit there for like 5 minutes too.
That would be really painful for a real human.
For reals, yeah.
And
So
the
there's-
robot is holding it.
Yeah. There's different methods for taking off pop heads you'll find out there on the internet, but this is my preferred method. Hey, you gotta keep him. If your arm starts to get tired, you want me to do it?
No, I can do it.
Okay, alright. So, this is the part you probably speed up for 5 minutes. So yeah, they say 5 minutes is how long you're supposed to hold it under. But you can kind of guesstimate on your own, pull it out for a second, see if it feels more pliable. You want to try?
Yeah.
So what it's supposed to be is it's going to start having a squishy head.
Let me try.
And then you're going to be able to
That's
actually,
really hot.
to literally pull it out. So there's a little thing that goes inside the head. You're supposed to be able to pull out. So it's pretty squishy now. You should be able to, but not quite yet. Here, you need to make sure to get his head all nice and hot. Okay.
So this one is gonna be Buddy Blue. No, it's gonna be.
The body is gonna be patio green, and I picked this one because well, not the body. The head's gonna be patio green. The body's gonna be Buddy Blue. I picked it because it had the sporty outfit, kind of like Buddy Blue is very sporty, and it had a head with very little hair. Lucy show up out of nowhere. Lucy!
I don't know where Lucy showed up.
You want that, Pop? Yep, Lucy's gonna help us. This is Baby Lou. She's 3, and she likes to, interrupt stuff. Because that's what sisters do. Little sisters. Waiting to rip off his head. Waiting to rip off his head.
They're gonna rip off his head.
Take it off.
And see all
We want it to come off nice and clean. So we're not actually breaking anything. But anyway, I picked this head because I can easily make her big hairstyle off of this thing.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Let's see if it'll come off. So it's possible that part might come off, but I don't want that. I don't want that part to come off. I want the middle little thing in here to come out.
His neck come off. No, not his
See,
neck.
I don't want the base of the neck to come off. I just want the neck inside thing to come off. And I've had fairly good success getting those off in the past. Oh, it happened. It almost came off all the bottom part, but there you go.
That looks really same.
Boom! Alright,
Okay.
so now we need this guy. Yep, Lucy's gonna help.
Lucy
Okay.
knows. Lucy knows.
Woo! Yeah, Lucy's seen us do this before. Oh, no, not the card. Not the card. Alright, these are vintage 1983 cards. Sorry. Alright, okay. We have to make sure to keep it down past the neck so the neck part gets private too.
It's so weird.
Woohoo! A head.
Dude, it's getting harder.
Yeah, so it'll harden up pretty fast once it's no longer hot. And then we'll be able to...
So, the thing of it being hot makes it squishy.
Yeah, making it hot makes it pliable and squishy. It makes it so it's easier to remove the head. This is my preferred way. Other ways I've seen people do is they take an X-Acto knife and they cut around here, then around the base, this little circular base, and then pull that part out too. I don't really like that method. I didn't find it very effective, and I feel like this is just easier. I like this way better.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It seems like they're literally killing it.
Feels like, yeah, when you're pulling it off, it's gonna feel like you're about to break it, but it's gonna come off. So what I would say you do is sort of keep your thumb on the bottom of the head to keep that middle ring thing as a part of the head while you're yanking the other side with your hand.
Yep, it's getting harder.
We're gonna do a little body switch. Switcheroo. Okay.
So that's glued on. Not glued on, is it?
No. Got something on it. Oh, there you go.
Now that's even better.
Whoop. The headless sportsman. Whatever. No, don't put it back. Don't put it back.
You know.
No.
Then you'd have to do it again.
And I'd be like, Colin. Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's not quite entirely done unhotting.
Unhotting, cooling down. Unhotting.
Unhotting.
That's the way to say it too.
Unhotting.
Here's funny. All right. Let's see. Should I pull it out or should we wait a little longer?
Pull it out.
All right. I'm going to attempt it. Woohoo!
Whoa,
Yep.
super
It's
squishy.
pretty squishy. Okay, so I'm going to put my thumb right there while I start pulling. Try to keep that middle ring
Ooh.
It.
It's sticking. It's sticking with it.
I don't want it to come out with it.
It's sticking with it.
We can do this.
This is gonna look weird.
Maybe a little longer. Maybe the neck's not quite pliable yet. Let's try it again. Okay?
It's gonna come out. Mess it up.
Oh, phew. It really does feel like you're gonna break it every time. But there you go.
Now?
Ah, ha, ha. Now the transfer. Ba-ba-da. Okay, you put yours on at the same time I put mine on. Ready? At the same time. You're gonna shove it in. Ta-da! Bye, Blue! We're gonna do the painting and we're gonna take off the earrings, take off the eyelashes, give them thicker, eyebrows and stuff. So there's more work to be done, but this is the beginning of our Buddy Blue. Yeah, you got it? It might be good to have it still pliable when you put them on too. There you go. There you go.
It looks so weird.
Patio green looks kind of funny.
It looks so weird. It looks so weird.
Yep. Well, we gotta go, everybody. Thank you for joining us.
See you next time on
Too many freaking crafts. Bye.